So the goal of hyperthermic intravesical chemotherapy or any form of intravesical chemotherapy is basically bladder preservation. Although the gold standard for all BCG failures is a radical cystectomy. Now the indications for the hyperthermic intravesical chemotherapy are non-muscle invasive bladder cancers with BCG failure or with recurrence, or any patient with huge comorbidities who cannot tolerate any radical surgery, or in patients with high-grade bladder cancers who would ideally require a radical cystectomy but want opt for bladder preserving strategies. Now, what is hypothermia? It is application of a mild fever range heat between 40 degrees to 44 degrees centigrade to the bladder. It is different from thermal ablation, where the temperatures can reach up to 90 degrees centigrade, but usually which causes charring. So it can be used to improve the drug delivery to the bladder, to kill malignant urothelial cells directly, improve bladder cancer sensitivity to chemotherapeutic agents, and trigger an anti-cancer response in the bladder.
I think Dr. Karthik is offline. He's just joining, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. So it can be delivered either externally or internally. Externally by deep regional radio frequency or high intensity focused ultrasound, and internally by using HIVEC. That is, the fluid is heated externally and then circulated into the bladder via a three-way Foley catheter. Thus, recirculating fluid contains the chemotherapy agent which is chosen by the treating physician. So basically, 5 clinical trials of HIVEC have been studied, which has shown 60 to 100% of patients. In these studies, 60 to 100% of the patients had previously undergone some form of intravesical therapy. The complete response rates range from 53 to 75%, and a partial response rate of 20 to 47%. The recurrence rates range from 13 to 39 at a median follow-up of 15 to 39 months. So this is basically the HIVEC equipment and a video of the procedure. So this is the equipment which comes with patient individualized kits. Each patient has a new kit for each cycle. The mitomycin injection is being prepared 40 milligrams. Basically, before we do a cystoscopy before the first HIVEC cycle. As you can see, the temperature is set at 43 degrees centigrade and the present temperature of the fluid is 24.3. The drug is being injected. We basically use 40 milligrams in 50 ml of saline. And once the machine is started, the fluid is heated to 43 degrees centigrade before it goes into the bladder. This cycle continues for a period of 60 minutes. From the second, third cycle onwards, we can do it as an OPD procedure in the daycare. So to conclude, it is a safe therapy for the treatment of BCG refractory NMIBC, especially in countries where there is severe shortage of BCG. And definitely it improves the efficacy of the chemotherapy agent used. Thank you.